How to create journal in Notion 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about journals and how you're going to be creating one on Notion in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, first of all, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off with Notion right away. Now, once you have checked the link in the description and you've created an account, what you're going to do over here is obviously we're going to start off with adding a page, and let's go ahead and call it journal. Now, once we go ahead and write journal in, what we're going to do from here is first of all, you're going to add a calendar for yourself. Now, the reason we add a calendar is because obviously for a journal, we need to keep our day to day basis normal. Okay. So, right over here, we have added our very own calendar. Now, once you've added the calendar, also make sure to go over to your page settings and you're going to go over to full width so that the calendar is fully expanded. You can see all the corners and most of the things are, properly seen over here. Now, what you're going to do from here is you're going to click on new. And what you're going to do is you can either create new from template or create a new one for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and call this daily journal. All right. And once we do that, what you can do is you can start creating it by adding some type of templates. First of all, we're going to add an icon for ourselves. You can pretty much add a journal icon over here if you want to. I'm simply going to go ahead with some icon like this. All right. Now, once you've done that, right down here, you can start adding details into your journal. So let's say I'm going to write today, I wash the car. Okay. I'm going to add something like that in. I'm going to close that out. And once you close that out, what happens is that happens to be saved in your journal right about here. Okay. And what you can do is once you have created that journal, you can use it as a template and add that over here. Okay. And do make sure to create a new template of that journal. Okay. So if I write journal, I'm going to write wash car. Okay. Once we do that, everything is good to go. So now we're going to back out. And now if you go on any day, just go ahead and click on journal and there the template gets applied. And just like that, you can start creating a journal for yourself on Notion in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.